Okay, this is question 11, part A from 2016, and this is what we looked at in class today. So let's just go through the calculations. We're given some mass. We're given mass of potassium nitrate and the MR of potassium nitrate. If you add up the relative atomic masses of all the atoms in it, is 101. So to find out the number of moles, we have the mass above the relative molecular mass. So we've got 20.2 grams above 101 grams per mole. And that gives us 0.2 moles. So I'm going to put that up here, 0.2 moles. And we've got 24 grams of sulfur. 24 grams over the relative atomic mass of sulfur, which is 32 grams per mole. And that tells us we've got 0.75 moles. Okay, so which is in excess? We've got 0.7. 0.7 is several times more than 0.2. It's more than twice. Which is in excess? Sulfur is in excess. Sulfur is in excess. What mass of this reactant is unused at the end of the reaction? So let's see, for moles, we've got a 4 to 5 ratio. And we know that 0.2 moles of this, so that represents 4 moles. So let's divide 0.2 by 4. So 0.2 divided by 4, find out what 1 mole is, kind of thing. And that's 0.05 moles. And then to find out the number of moles that will react with 4 moles of potassium nitrate, because there's a 4 to 5 ratio, multiply this by 5. And that equals 0.25 moles. So that's how much we need for 0.2 moles to react completely with this. It would be, I'll just put it in pink up there, 0.25 moles. So we've got in excess, it's 0.75, so we've got 0.75 minus 0.25 equals 0.5 moles. That's excess, unused. We need that in mass, so we've got 0.5 as sulfur. The relative atomic mass of sulfur is 32, so 32 by 0.5 equals 16 grams, because this is grams per mole. Moles cancel out, leaving grams. Okay, 16 grams. Calculate the total volume in litres of gaseous products measured at STP. We know at STP we're talking, oops, not 24, that's room temperature. We're talking 22.4 litres at STP. So calculate the total volume of gaseous products. So let's work out the moles of gas present, because we know it's a 4 to 5 to 2 to 2 to 5 ratio. This has 5 moles, this is 5 moles, so it'll be the same. 0.25 there, and 2 moles be half of 4 moles. So that would work out as 0.1 mole there and 0.1 mole there. So the gaseous, we're looking for the G here. I'll get another colour. So we've got G, meaning gaseous there. So we're interested in the moles of nitrogen. We've got 0.1 moles of N2, and we got 0.25 moles of SO2. Add them up, and that's 0.35 moles of gas. And we know that 1 mole at STP occupies 22.4 litres. So what does 0.35 mole occupy? Well, we simply multiply by 22.4 litres. 7.84 litres. What is the mass of solid produced? Well, the solid is potassium oxide, and the relative molecular mass equals 94. And we got 0.1 mole of it, so 94 by 0.1. So that would be 9.4